Welcome to Africa Native Tales by Etienne Dukas. Today, let us look at the traditional Igbo naming ceremony. In Igbo land, the naming ceremony is a revered cultural tradition that formally presents and introduces a newborn child to the family and community, marking a significant milestone in the child's life and welcoming them into the social fabric of the society. In many Igbo communities, this cultural practice takes place between 7 to 12 days after the birth, while in other communities, it is traditionally held on the 28th day, which is equivalent to one native Igbo month. The Igbo people, being a community that strongly believes in reincarnation, often consult a diviner known as Dibia Afah to determine which of their ancestors has reincarnated into the family, and this revelation often influences the name given to the child. The ceremony typically has a large turnout of family members, children, friends, and well-wishers in attendance, and is characterized by an abundance of traditional foods and drinks, including palm wine, which is generously made available to entertain and honor the guests. The ceremony officially begins with the father of the child, using Enzu, the traditional native white chalk, to invoke and summon Chukwu, the supreme god, his chi, personal guiding spirit, his ancestors, and the ancestral deities to come and join in the celebration, thereby seeking their blessings, protection, and guidance for the newborn child. He would proceed to consecration and breaking of kola nut, which all present would partake in. The child is then brought out by the mother and handed over to the father, who solemnly pronounces the name that the child will henceforth be known by, and from that moment on, all present will address the child by the given name, thereby formally acknowledging and welcoming the child into the family and community. The father then brings the ceremony to a close by offering a chicken to the altar of the Ndiachie, his ancestors, as well as to other family deities, humbly requesting that they grant their protection, guidance, inspiration, and blessings to the child, and invoking their continued presence and favor in the child's life. The name given to a child in Igbo culture is often influenced by a combination of factors, including the circumstances surrounding the birth, the ancestor who is revealed through divination to have reincarnated into the family, as well as significant events that may have occurred during the pregnancy, at the time of birth, or even after the child's birth, all of which are carefully considered and reflected in the chosen name.